Welcome to the channel. Again, I thought I'll do a quick video on Auckland International Airport. Ticket code is AIA. Main thing what I wanted to show you is, I don't know whether this will provide you a clear picture. If you can see this, I'll try my best to show this big picture first. So as we know, like it's a airport, Auckland Airport in New Zealand. So with now COVID vaccines coming out, restrictions easing, if you believe, I personally believe we can't live in this COVID forever. So now with vaccines coming out, we should get bit more we should live bit more normal in, let's say, another 3 to 6 months time. That's my expectation, because we can't live like this forever. So then the traveling stocks will be a good one at that time, like 6 months, 1 year time. I believe traveling stocks will be a good one. So that's why I was looking at this chart. Then I thought I'll show you what I see in this chart. If you can see here, I here mark. We'll go and have a closer look a bit later. See, this is the where it is sitting now. You can see in this box. So it is moving sideways. I'll get my this tool. See here, it is moving sideways in this box, going up and down, but more or less going sideways here. Then other one is other place I saw a bit of sideway movement is here in this box, and there's another place, another sideways movement, and there's another one. So if you see from big picture, this stock has a tendency to move sideways for a while, then make like big moves, again sideways for a while, then make a big move. Again, you can see this whole thing is more or less sideways movement, like here, then make a move. So this stock has a tendency to move sideways for some time for different reasons, and then make a like big uptrend move. So here I measured from this is 2010, around that area. It has been moving probably few months. Then it started going up and went 146%. Then again here sideways movement, then it went up 112%. Then again now sort of here sideways movement. I just measured from top of my box. It has done 52%. And now let's close a look at here where we are now. So see the sideways movement. I'll remove this. So you can see it is more or less moving sideways for, let's have a look from here. So 50 to 56 bars means weekly, almost what do you call, almost 1 year. So it is moving sideways from October 2020, now September, almost 1 year moving sideways. But now with recent vaccine news and all these COVID restrictions sort of coming out, I believe this stock is making a move now. You can see it has just broken that box and close above. So what I would, and if you look at the volume also, you can see volume also not bad. Like last few weeks, volume is more or less consistent. It's not like low as this area. You can see here, it's not low as this area, not high as this area as well, but more or less have a good volume here. So I personally think this is my, and the RSI also, see it is hanging around this about 50 here, so it's not oversold, not overbought. I have a feeling this is making this big consolidation or foundation here to make a big up movement later, like let's say December, January, sort of starting from that time when I believe when the traveling will be back again, not like previous, but there will be some traveling, I guess, by about Christmas. Then things will ease around, and especially New Zealand has less cases, and Australia also talking about opening the international borders fully by March. I believe this will be a stock for next year, and if you are a long-term uh, investor and you like this stock, keep an eye. This will be a good investment, and this will run for some time. If you look here, see similar box here. Let's say if you bought somewhere here, it had a good run. You can see it ran. Let's take it from here. From here, about here, 44 bars. So about 1 year, it was running up, and you can see this stock also has tendency to come back. So it's like not hold forever sort of a stock. You 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 be with it and follow the trend with the trailing stop loss. Then once you sort of feel like it's going down, take your money and invest in another stock. That's the strategy I would use for this one. But yeah, what I want to show you is keep an eye. It's sort of trying to break out. How I enter for this one is I would wait until it let's do like this. I would wait just to get this confirmation around here to cross it sorry cross this about previous resistance, which is 770, let's say 780, and close a few weeks above this, then get in. Because if we do a trend like this, waiting few weeks to get the confirmation will not waste your money. Because let's say if you want, we want is some, let's say here, if you get that confirmation, see it sort of bounce back from that box, then you get that confirmation, then you are on for a good ride. So same here. I personally like to get a confirmation above this box just to make sure it is going up, because it will face some resistance around this $9.50 mark. So I am happy to buy above this box and stop loss around below this box, just to cover. So for me it is a bit wait and see thing, but if you are interested, just keep an eye for this stock, and it's looking good. um, if you like my videos, if you like my channel, please subscribe. It will help my channel to grow more. Yeah, thanks for people who are watching and giving comments on my videos. Thanks for them. Yeah, see you next time.